cap, each of these look like that. It's supposed to look like that. It's supposed to have this piece right here. They've just got springs. The springs are in the wrong position. You see, when I open this up, the spring is supposed to be in the top here. It is right now down there, which is where it's not supposed to be. But that would explain why it was acting the way it was. Now, for some reason, this one only had 3 screws. Luckily, I believe I have some more. So now we just get this all in there. Alright, I got a smaller screwdriver now. So I think this one is supposed to have that bracket on it for the throttle cable and your choke cable. So I'm gonna go grab that bracket and screw it in over here on this side. Okay, so I thought I had lost it right here. So this sits just like that. So let's take these screws out and put that in there. Okay, so I've been having trouble with my other camera angle, so we're gonna try this one now. So now we have this bracket right here that goes in on these screws, and this is your choke right here. This is your throttle. So I'm gonna fully tighten in all 3 of the bolts on this one. I'm gonna get another one for down here. And then I'm gonna see if these other 3 also have their slides, but are also put in incorrectly. So let's do that. Alrighty, here goes. Yes! Okay, I know you guys can't see it yet, but we do. So now, we have a slide. Look at that. And the spring is on the wrong side. Correctly? Looks like it did. Weird. Okay. And then, a little hole there goes right into the spring. Put the rest of these in, and we'll go through the rest. Hopefully, all the rest of them are just about the same. Look at that. Now, I have working slides. I mean, I'm gonna reinstall and see if they act better now. Let's go do that. Okay, let's put these carburetors back on. So first things first, let's throttle cable back on our carburetors. Time to just make it look good.